Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video we will cover Kapalbhati. I know there are many videos of Kapalbhati on YouTube, but I can assure you that everyone who's watching this video will pick up something new and informative that will be helpful to improve their practice. So there is something for everyone here because in not just in this video, in every video of mine I try to add something based on my personal experience and learning that I have got from my teachers, which you will not find in any book. So yeah, in Kapalbhati, we are going to cover what is Kapalbhati. We are going to cover when should we practice Kapalbhati, who should not practice Kapalbhati, how it should be practiced, some do's and don'ts of Kapalbhati, and some important things that you need to bear in mind while practicing Kapalbhati. So yeah, without any delay, let's start the video. Kapalbhati. Kapal means skull, Bhati means shine. So the practice that brings the shine to the skull is Kapalbhati. Now that is how we define it. It is a cleansing practice in yoga because in Hatha Yoga it has been categorized in Shatkarma. Shatkarma are cleansing practices and Kapalbhati is one of the Shatkarmic Kriya. So as a principle, to reap the maximum benefits of Kapalbhati, you must practice it in the morning empty stomach. Kapalbhati, who should not practice Kapalbhati? First understand this because this is very important. If you fall in one of the following categories, you don't need to watch this video, because you shouldn't be practicing Kapalbhati. So our teacher always said this part is very important. Please understand this. Our teacher, our guru always told this thing to us that if you are practicing 10 yogic kriyas which are beneficial for you, and if you are practicing just one yogic kriya which is going to be harmful, which is contraindicated, you should not be practicing it. Considering your health condition, then that one kriya will outweigh all the other yogic kriyas which will be beneficial. So, and I have honestly personally seen it. I have seen it happening with one of my friends. So take this contraindication thing very seriously. So who should not be practicing Kapalbhati? People who have heart issue, who have had strokes in the past, people who have high blood pressure, people who have vertigo, the ones who have stomach ulcer or who have gone through recent abdominal surgery, people who have vertigo and epilepsy. So these are the health condition. If you fall in any of the following category, you should not be practicing Kapalbhati. Females who are menstruating or who are pregnant should also not practice Kapalbhati. Now let's look at how Kapalbhati is practiced.
Now let's understand how to practice Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati. Sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position, any comfortable meditative posture. I am picking Padmasana, but you can also sit in Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Keep your spine upright, palms in Jnana Mudra, eyes gently closed. Keeping your body still like a statue, observe the flow of breath. the natural and normal flow of breath. And now, preparing your mind for Kapalbhati. Exert the force on exhalation, squeezing your belly in. Breath out, belly in. Breath out, belly in. Here, exhalation is active because you are actively engaged in the exhalation process, which is happening forceful, and inhalation happens on its own. Just focus on exhalation. Start slowly, and as you get comfortable with the pace of practice, slowly start increasing the pace. Release and relax once you are done. If you have practiced Kapalbhati right, your breath will be suspended after Kapalbhati for few seconds. See, I am not breathing in and out. This is the first breath that I have taken in. Relax. Let the breath resume its normal pace. It is important to observe the impact of the Kriya in your body and mind. So spend some time keeping your eyes closed, observing the impact of Kapalbhati on your body and mind. Once you feel your breath has resumed its normal pace, you can conclude the practice. Slowly bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Start dropping your palm. Feel the heat, feel the energy. Now bring this energy to your eyes, cover your eyelids and stay there for 3, 2, 1. Slowly uncover and very gently open your eyes. Now let's talk about few things that you have to avoid while practicing Kapalbhati. Don't keep your elbows tight and straight. Bend your elbows. Keep your elbows relaxed while practicing Kapalbhati. Do not exert maximum force, else you will go breathless soon. Do not distort your facial muscles while practicing Kapalbhati. A lot of people breathe incorrectly. When they exhale, their stomach goes out. I don't know how they do it, but if you are unsure, keep your right palm to see that your stomach is squeezing in with every breath out.
Okay, so you saw how we should be practicing Kapalbhati. Regarding the duration of practice, I know there are many YouTube videos who recommend you to practice Kapalbhati for 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But trust me, if you start Kapalbhati 15 minutes or 30 minutes of for 30 minutes or 15 minutes, it can be very dangerous for your health. Please avoid it. You should always understand the rhythm of the body and train your body accordingly. So it is always advisable to start with the low duration. Like you can start with 3 minutes. I have seen students who find 3 minutes of Kapalbhati also very challenging. But 3 minutes is a good time. Just see your body if you are comfortable for practicing Kapalbhati for 3 minutes, just continue it for some time, and then slowly increase the duration to 5 minutes, then 7 minutes, and so on. Now when I say practice for 3 minutes, I don't mean practice 3 minutes at a stretch. Practice for the time you are comfortable. The moment you feel you are getting breathless, you are not comfortable, just relax for some time and resume the practice as you get comfortable with it. And as said, slowly start increasing the time. As said, for the best results, practice empty stomach in the morning. When I say empty stomach, your stomach should be totally empty. That means in the morning, first go to the toilet, excrete, and then your body will be totally fresh, your stomach is empty, then practice Kapalbhati. Now, what are the benefits of Kapalbhati? As said, Kapalbhati is a cleansing practice. It has a cleansing effect on the body, especially on the lungs. So it is very helpful for respiratory disorder, people who have respiratory disorders. For them it is very helpful. And if you are practicing Kapalbhati on a regular basis, it also improves your metabolism, because if respiratory system improves, circulatory system also improves. All the systems in the body, digestion improves. All the systems in the body are interrelated. They are not working independently. So if the respiration improves, circulation improves, digestion, metabolism improves in the body. So your digestion, metabolism improves. And as the name suggests, Kapalbhati. With the regular practice of Kapalbhati, your skull starts shining, which reflects on your face. Your face will get a natural glow. So these are some of the benefits of Kapalbhati. If you have any doubt related to Kapalbhati, you can put it in the comment box and I will reply to it. Yeah, but that's all for now. Thank you so much. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am also conducting online yoga classes. If any of you are interested, you can contact me on Instagram or Facebook. But yes, the classes are paid. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste. Take care.